Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Weverse app. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Weverse and we click here. Then this page of app on file we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. As you see here, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.